So I'm gonna walk you through this one skillet meal that is absolutely delicious and can be done in 20 minutes and eaten in so many different ways. So in this skillet right here, I have a base that honestly tastes delicious all by itself and can be done even as a dip. But in here we have lean ground turkey, a can of corn, a can of black beans, 2 poblano peppers, and just a hot sauce of your choice. So I sauteed this ground turkey and then I seasoned it with granulated onion garlic. You're gonna notice that's something I just always have on hand and I am constantly using. Salt and pepper, so super simple. I sauteed that, then I threw in a little bit of red onion, the poblano peppers, diced them, put that right in there, and then literally opened the can of corn and black beans, put it right in the skillet. I'm making the baby cough with my meal. I added in about 5 tablespoons of salsa into the skillet right here, so that way just all those flavors can really marinate together. After this simmers for about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm just waiting for the veggies to get soft because we prefer that in my house. And so once those get soft, I am going to throw on some Velveeta shreds. So this, actually, I would not recommend substituting this for anything else. Like, if you kind of want a cheesy flavor, you could always use a nutritional yeast if you're looking for just total, like, gluten-free, dairy-free, all that good stuff. But the Velveeta shreds melt really nicely, so you actually can get that really nice creaminess and not have to use a lot of cheese. So that's fantastic. It makes the dish healthier, but still gives you kind of like that nice savory filling, which most of you love and your kids love. So being able to add in about half a bag of this Velveeta shreds, so that's only about 3.5 servings total. Once this simmers, I'm gonna stir that all up. And then now let me tell you the various ways that you can actually enjoy this meal, which makes it one of my favorites. So everything in here is high protein. It's really low in carbohydrates. So again, you could totally eat this plain. You could scoop it up with some chips. So it's really nice to be able to take to different events with you. You can put this as a bowl over some rice. So if you're looking for more of like a hearty, carb heavy meal, maybe you want to have this for lunch, you can use some instant rice, put it in the microwave, and then serve about a cup of this over about 1/3 cup instant rice is going to be a really well balanced meal. You could also get this and throw it into some lettuce wraps. And something sneaky that I may do different with this evening is actually make some burritos out of it, because that's sounding pretty good. So you can get a tortilla, add all the insides, and then just top it off with some salsa and make a really nice burrito. So that's numerous ways that you can literally enjoy this one skillet dish that is going to feed my family. I use a pound of turkey, so this is gonna be about 5 meals for us. And again, done in 20 minutes, and literally I'm making this and I'm already done cleaning up. So that's super nice too. And I have a baby running around. So hope y'all enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you have any questions.